Hello everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and got everything you wanted. Today I'm going to show you what I have accomplished off camera. Since the last video I did, everybody has been here and my grandson has been with us and it's just been a chaotic. So I have been doing some of these off camera. I have two new major goals I have set for 2025, and I also have a few new savings challenges that I'm going to work for the sinking funds. But first, guys, I want to thank you all so much for an amazing year. Your support of the channel for me, buying from my Amazon list when I was down on my luck. You all are just amazing, and I love each and every one of you. So let's get into the binder, and I will show you. I did finish the winter challenge off camera, and what I'm going to do is this cute little notebook come from the Dollar Tree, and I wrote on the back cover what I'm saving for. We all know the letters of the $1 bills, so I decided that the C-Bucks was going to go to car payoff, D-Bucks was going into the mortgage, and E-Bucks is going into the 2025 challenge, which is going to be our emergency fund. I am wanting so much to get this done. The pink binder is the monthly challenge. And at the end of the year, whatever I save in this one, of course you all, I've showed this to you before. Whatever I save in this, if I can't save the $100, but I save $50, that's fine. That will stay in here. But I am really going to try to save everything that's on these cute little known challenges. And the money will go into here, which I really, really do love these little binder inserts. I found these on Amazon. But this will go to the end of the year Christmas, and whatever is left off or left over, I'm going to throw it towards debt. Now, to get to my two major goals for this year is pay off my car and throw whatever I can to my mortgage. And sorry for the camera shaking. Miss Blossom just discovered that there is a bird out on the porch, and she is on the desk looking out the window. So, like I said, the 2025 Savings Challenge is going to go towards the emergency fund. And then down here, guys, let me zoom you in a little bit. I did write down the months that I've done the coin challenge. Nope, that one's not it. Let me see here. Okay, I did write down the months, I can't talk today, of the coin savings challenge that I have done. So in October, we saved $49.06. November, we saved $56.51. I am still working on December's. You know, it is the 26th of December. So whatever else I do, I'm just going to put in what I can here, and then I will flip over to January, and then when January comes through, if I finish January's, I will come back and finish December's. So it really doesn't matter if y'all complete these or not. It's you save what you can. So over here, let me zoom back out so y'all get a good look at what I do have. Okay, so this cute little notebook, like I said, come from the Dollar Tree. I have wrote all of my savings challenges down, and I'm going to write the balances of what we have. And this up here is just a reminder: C-Bucks car, D-Bucks mortgage, E-Bucks for the 2025 savings challenge. I am going to be updating, well, not updating. I will be getting all the ones that I get. I'm going to just go through and get these separated and put into the right place where they go, and they will be going into here. And I will show you this little cute thing. This is like the car These are C notes. I did go through what I did have and pull them out. The D-Bucks is the mortgage. And then Starlink is a sinking fund that the Winter Challenge is going to go into. Because, guys, if you know me, I have been griping about Comcast and Xfinity for the last 6 months. And then I just got an email the other day saying that our cable rates were going to go up again. Okay, I'm done with it. So we are definitely going to be looking into Starlink. Starlink is about the cheapest that I have found around in my area. The only thing is that the equipment is like $398. So yeah, it's going to be a challenge. So I'm going to write down what I saved in the Winter Challenge. And we will count this together, guys. I'll go through and count it all out, show you guys what I've done. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86. So we saved $86 in the winter fund, or the Winter Challenge. I don't know why I want to keep calling it a fun. Okay, so let's see. We done that in red. Let's write it in blue. So $86 here. So this one is going to be pulled out, and then the next one I'm going to be working on is a spring one that I got for free from Lisa Grateful Me over at the Happy Mailbox Company. Because, guys, I did order one off of Lisa, and if you order something, she'll send you a freebie. I'll show you what the challenge is that I bought. That way you all understand where I'm going with this. So this one is going to be pulled. And then here is the beautiful Happy Easter challenge that I got for free. This one, I'm not for sure what I'm going to be using it for. It may be used for just Easter, but I'm going to use it for a spring challenge, guys. It could be for food, Easter baskets for the kids, which, you know, my grandkids are kind of old. The youngest one I've got is Maverick, and he's turning 9 in April. And yeah, he made his mama cry the other day because after he opened all of his presents, he told her that he knows that there's no Santa Claus and that she ate the cookies and drank the milk. And she told John, my son, Maddie's daddy, that it broke her heart because she was just hoping for one more year that the kid would believe in Santa. So, but, you know, they grow out of that. But I still believe in Santa. Just believe in the magic of Christmas, you know. And the reason why we celebrate Christmas is because of our Lord Savior Jesus was born. So, okay, guys. So the next one is the large and in charge. And I did do some. The yellow ones are the ones that I did off camera. And we will see how much we've got into here. And I'm so excited for the new year. Guys, let me tell you, if you haven't followed my journey, I'm going to be doing a video vlog explaining, you know, who I am, what happened, doing a reflection of 2024, and that way, it's a get to know me for all the new subscribers I've got. So we have 50, 51, 52, 53. We got 53 in this one so far. And I know a lot of people are like, well, why are you doing so many challenges for the same thing? To me, being able to visualize and having fun in saving money is a lot better than just taking that money and putting it in an envelope and sticking it in a safe. I mean, I really and truly love seeing a visual. I love to see it. I don't want to say visualization. I can't even say it, so we're not going to go there. And if y'all don't know, I am from the South, and I do have a little bit of Southern twang, and I got menopause brain, so sometimes my words don't come out right, but hey, it's all good. So, Little Piggy I don't know why I call it the little piggy. I guess I have no idea why I call it that, but I do. We have got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have got $19 in this one, and this one is going to go towards the mortgage also. I'm whistling, guys. I don't know why. Oh, I do have thrush also, because if y'all hadn't if y'all haven't knowed, I need to learn how to speak English. If you all didn't know, I had recently, in November, I had gotten poison ivy on my face, and it turned into cellulitis. So I was in misery, and with all the steroids and stuff, guess what? I got thrush again. So I am now on medications for it, and I need to get me a drink of emotional support coffee this morning, because my mouth is getting dry because I am talking a lot, which, sometimes I don't do. Okay, so we got that one done. And then the next one is the birthday, which birthday is only got 3 because I skipped it. I am going to be working on this one because my son's birthday is in February. He is a deputy sheriff, and he's just a wonderful young man. And he has got such a beautiful family. Okay, now this one right here I'm going to show you is the one that I did get off of the Happy Mailbox Company, and the reason being is medical savings. If you all hadn't seen my other video, I did update my medical payments that I've got to my medical debt. So I figured what I would do, I'm still going to pay the monthly, that I agreed with them. It's automatically took out, but I am going to save. And whenever I finish a block, whatever it adds up to, I will take that money, put it in the bank, and do a payment towards my medical. After I get my medical paid off, I may be using this for like co-pays, pharmacies, medication co-pays and all that. So hopefully we'll be getting this one started soon. And it doesn't have anything, so we are just going to put a big old goose egg right there. The next one is another one. This one came from Life Unfiltered. Amanda, she made this one. She said she wanted to, make something for me because I am starting my homestead. So I did, print this off and put it in here. And there is nothing in this one yet. Okay, then we're going to flip back here for some challenges that are going to be brought forward once I get them finished. Happiness has nothing in it. I did not use that one yet. And then we have 2025, the Year of the Snake. Of course, y'all can tell I've got a lot from the Happy Mailbox Company. I love her designs. Lisa and her daughter-in-law does such a great job, and Lisa is my go-to at the Happy Mailbox Company, guys. Go check out Lisa Grateful Me on YouTube, or check out the Happy Mailbox Company, or Happy Mailbox Co. on Etsy. And that one has nothing, but the money from this one, when I do it, will also go into the 2025 big challenge back here for the emergency fund. So we are going to count and see, because I did pull the e-bucks that I had, and I pulled them and put them in here, and I did color in the ones. So we are going to see how much we have in this one. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So we have $70 in this one so far. And if I don't complete this challenge in 2025, it's okay. I did save a little bit of something. So we have 70 in this one. So, and this one down here is the monthly challenge. and we have not saved anything in it. So now we are going to go over to my little mini savings binder that I'm doing. I just love them, guys. I just love them. I think it's awesome. So we are going to this one here. And all of this, of course, you know, mortgage and car and homestead. So this one right here, the mini sushi roll, has got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that one's got 23. And, you know, once I complete a challenge, if there's a lot of money in it, like this one's for the car, when I go to make my car payment, I'll just add this money to it also. So we have 23 in the sushi roll. Or, you know, what I could do is just do all 3 of the challenges, and then whatever's in here, I'll just throw it to the card. So this one is going to the mortgage payment. And like I said, guys, I do have a lot of challenges always going to the same ones, and that is because I want to save as much money as I can and have fun doing it. So we have 10, 15, 20. We have 20 in this one. So I'm going to write this down. And then the carrot roll, I call it the carrot roll. It's going towards homestead. For the springtime, for either plants for the garden, or chicken feed, or chickens, or straw, or whatever I need. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got $13 for it. So we are going to add this up, put the balance down at the bottom, down here, and we have, let's see, let me bring out my old calculator. I don't know if y'all have one of these or not, but this one's old. So we have $287 saved. I did have more than that, but I had to pull the other money I had because I had to buy a new tire. And believe me, that was a very expensive. Everything is just so outrageous. So that was in my community post, I believe it was. So we had saved $287. But I was just grateful I had the money saved that I could just, you know, go do it. So that's it for today's video, guys. And I will be coming back with you. I don't know if it'll be this week or if it'll be after the 1st of January. But I want you guys to know that if I don't see you, well, I know I'll see you because I'm going to do my reflection of 2024 and to get to know me for all the new subscribers. So, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love every one of you all. And please have a safe new year. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.